got done washing dishes. I do have 2 more dishes left in the sink because I just feel like they need to soak before they're being cleaned. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to take my vitamins for the day. And what I mean by vitamins, I mean vitamin. This is my vitamin, okay, y'all? This is soursop. I get this from a herbal store in Little 5 Points. If you're from Atlanta, you should be familiar with that area. It's a vegan / herbal store. They sell herbs and plant-based foods for vegans. And the soursop is so good for you. When I say this right here cleans every organ out in your body. If you're sick, if you're struggling from just a very weak immune system, this is what you should take. This is what you should take. You should still take your B12. I'm gonna go take that as well with this. You should still take your vitamin C, vitamin D, all of that. These are herbs. Like, soursop is an herb. I'm gonna eat first before I take this though, because sometimes when you take vitamins and stuff, it can make you sick. In this, you should not consume a lot of this. Like, herbs have healing power, but they also can do damage if you take too much. So I just usually do like 2 teaspoons of this and then my B12. So I think I'm gonna cook my food first, y'all. To be honest, as y'all can see, this morning I had ordered some groceries off DoorDash. I got it from Aldi's, and Aldi's did good. I spent like $37, and I feel like I got a lot of stuff for $37 personally. I feel like the person who shopped my order did very good. I got some strawberries. I got some spinach, y'all. I love me some spinach, okay? If y'all don't see me eating nothing else, I'm gonna eat some spinach, y'all. This is so good and very rich in, I believe it's iron, and we need iron. I got some grapes. I got some tomatoes. Yum, yum, yum. Bacon, y'all. I have cucumbers. Yes, love me a good cucumber. This is an English cucumber, so I think that's the one that we're gonna use today. I got a bag of onions. I put the onions in my eggs, y'all. I love to put onions and spinach in my eggs. So I ordered orange juice, but he said they didn't have any orange juice in the store. So he gave me a substitution, which was apple juice, like I asked for. So loved him for that. Olives and Italian dressing, because I'm getting ready to make a cucumber salad as well. So I'm about to start washing my veggies off and prepping my breakfast to start cooking it.
So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always a puff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend that type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy. Duh.
Making this cucumber salad, I gotta do a taste test, y'all. Got to do a taste test. See what I need to add. Oh, that's so good. Yes.
Dream. I got everything I want. Not what you think. And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare to anyone who might care. Thought I could fly, so I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried. Nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. But when I wake up, I see you with me. And you say, as long as I'm here, no one can hurt you.
Yeah, it's so freaking gloomy outside. Like, it's ridiculous how gloomy it is outside. I'm about to watch a movie because when it's like this, I just like to be in the bed. I don't know if I want to go on Netflix. You know what? I got Hulu. And tell me why I didn't know that I had Hulu. So I'm paying for a bundle deal with Disney Plus and Hulu. And I don't even be on Hulu. But guess what? Your girl pays for Hulu and Disney Plus every month. There's no way Hulu should not be on my iPad. So I'm downloading Hulu as we speak.
Worry about getting to work on time. Have fun tonight on your date. I will.
Alright, y'all, so I'm done eating my breakfast. I have a client at, well, her appointment was really at 5, but she said that she would be on the way soon. So I think she's on the way now. So I'm getting ready to go downstairs and prep her hair for her appointment. She's getting medium knotless braids, boho. So I'm gonna go prep the hair for her appointment. I'm glad she's coming earlier so I can get done earlier and I don't be doing hair all night. So
Don't wanna lie, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you. If I knew what would I do? Would I do? If they knew they said would go straight to my head, what would they say instead? If I knew what would I do? Would I do again? If they knew they said would go straight to my head, what would they say instead? I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're a man, I think therefore I'm man. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're a man, I think therefore I'm man. Your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're a man, I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're a man, I think therefore I am. What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we are falling asleep, where do we go? Say it, spit it out. What is it exactly? The pain is the amount. Feeling you out, my satisfaction. Today I'm thinking about things that are deadly. The way I'm making you down, like I wanna drown, 'cause I wanna live. Step on glass, step on your tongue. Bury a friend, try to wake up. In a class, killing the sun. Bury a friend, I wanna end.
hey y'all, I'm editing this video and I definitely forgot to do an outro. So here's my outro. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. This was a productive day in my life / a day in my life as a braider. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye.